Hello students, today I will start alkyl halide and aryl halide for class 12 board exams and NEET IIT JEE questions of this chapter. Okay. In this lecture I will give important concepts of alkyl halide, out of which first of all I will discuss Markovnikov curves. This is important for class 12 board exams as well as NEET and IIT JEE questions or exams. Statement. It states that whenever an ionic reagent added to an unsymmetrical alkene, the electrophilic part मतलब positive part, electrophile will attack to double bond carbon which furnish a stable carbocation. Okay, this is the statement of Markovnikov rule. By obeying this rule, we prepare alkyl halide, and in this reaction, the mechanism and how to write a correct product in entrance exam as well as in board exams, I will tell. Simply an unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene means around double bond carbon, different number of hydrogen atoms are there. However, this is a symmetrical alkene. This is also a symmetrical alkene. In case of symmetrical alkene, you can write any product. Always a single product is opted. Okay. When you add an ionic reagent, it gives single product. Okay. However, in case of unsymmetrical alkene, there are two possible products. However, out of which one product is major product, and always we have to write a major product. Okay. So following this rule, HBr or HX. This is halogen acid. Order of reactivity HI greater than HBr greater than HCl greater than H. This is the strongest acid, weak bond dissociation energy. This is the weakest acid, high bond dissociation energy. This is a HI and HBr quickly react with alkene. Okay, all of you noted. This is the order of reactivity. Okay. So according to Markovnikov's rule, H plus and Br minus. H plus and Br minus. H plus is added to this carbon and negative added to this carbon. This is the major product, 2-bromopropane. This is major product. or Markovnikov's product. Another one is possibility is also there. This is 1-bromopropane minor product. So why it is a major product? Okay. Now I will explain in the mechanism. In 12th class you have mechanisms. Okay. We discuss the mechanism of Markovnikov's rule. Write down mechanism. In alkenes and alkynes, electrophilic additions take place. That means in presence of pi bonds, always the electrophilic part or positive part will first attack to the double bond carbon. Negative part never attack to the double bond carbon because the pi electron cloud, pi bond is there, pi electron cloud up and below the plane of the molecule. Negative part will repel, not attack. Therefore, pi bonds always attack positive part or electrophilic part. Therefore, alkenes and alkynes shows electrophilic addition reaction. Anyhow, I will discuss the mechanism. You see, before going to mechanism in details, I will tell you the stability of carbocation. Carbocation means positively charged carbon. The stability is 3° carbocation. This is GOC part of chemistry taught in 11th class. Okay. All of you remember this. 3° carbocation more stable than 2° carbocation, then primary carbocation. 1° carbocation, and most unstable carbocation is methyl carbocation. The carbocation stability is directly proportional to hyperconjugated structures and cross-side groups. Okay. Briefly, I will tell hyperconjugation. Here 9 alpha hydrogen, 9 hyperconjugated structure, 6 alpha hydrogens, 6 hyperconjugated structures, 3 alpha hydrogens, 3 hyperconjugated structure in addition to it. Okay, 3 more, 9 more, 6 more, 3 more. In this case, there is no hyperconjugated structures. Okay, therefore, charge is dispersed more in this case. There here, then here, lastly here no dispersion. This is most unstable carbocation. So, to understand the mechanism of Markovnikov's rule, you have to know this stability of carbocation. Okay. So you see CH3 CH double bond CH3 CH double bond CH2. Now we are the electrophilic part. There is two way of addition. If you see pi bond here, this carbon is negative and this is positive. Positive will go to the negative. Again I will repeat. See, if this pi bond shifted to this carbon is negative and this is positive. Positive will go to the negative carbon, and here you get this carbocation. If you shift, another possibility is there. If you shift the pi bond here, this carbon negative and this is positive, positive will go to the negative. In this case, you get this carbocation. So, according to Markovnikov's rule, this is the major product because this is the 2° carbocation and this is 1° carbocation. The stable intermediate will form first. Okay, this is unstable. Stability is 3°, then 2°, then 1°. Therefore, this is your major product, major intermediate. I think all of you understand. Now, the negative part Br minus will attach to this carbon and you are getting the product. All of you clear? I think all of you clear this mechanism. Okay, or understood this mechanism. Now this positive part, its negative part is there, Br minus. that will attack to this carbon and you get the 2-bromopropane as the major product. Okay, this is the mechanism. The positive part added to the carbon, double bond carbon in such a way that always we are getting a stable carbocation. Stable carbocation. Okay. पॉजिटिव पार्ट ऐसा कार्बन को ऐड होना चाहिए जहां पर हम लोग को एक स्टेबल कार्बोकैटायन मिलता रहेगा, तो जो कि मेजर प्रोडक्ट बनाता है. ओके, सम इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर दे. यू सी, इन केस ऑफ कार्बोकैटायन आई विल गिव some important points. After addition of positive ion H plus, if you get a carbocation like this, secondary, then here 1,2 hydride shift take place. That means this hydride ion shifted to here and this one is carbocation. Okay, this is called 1,2 hydride shift. ये 2 degree carbocation itself converted to more stable 3 degree carbocation by hydride shift or by methyl shift or by phenyl shift. Okay, all of you know this. In GOC part of 11, shifting of hydrogen, methyl and phenyl take place only in case of carbocations. Therefore, a rearranged product is obtained, and all of you must remember this type of shifting. Then only you get the correct product in entrance as well as in board exams. Okay, if the ion is like this, in entrance classes, I will go details why this occur, how this take place in room temperature. I will all tell you. But here only for board, you see, this is a 2 degree cation and methyl shift 1,2 methyl shift 1,2 methyl shift will take place. 1,2 methyl shift will take place. Okay, because it is a 2 degree. By shifting methyl, we get a more stable tertiary carbocation. By keeping these two type of shifting in your mind, how will you write the Markovnikov product, stable Markovnikov product? I will explain. Kindly note it. Okay. This type of shifting 1,2. Why it is called 1,2? Now adjacent. If this is 1, this is 2. If this is 1, this is 2. 1,2 hydride shift, 1,2 methyl shift. Okay. You see now. If this type of alkene is there and a ionic reagent is given, what type of questions asked in this type of reactions? First of all, the product. What is the major product? You see, most of the students write this product because this is in option. This is a simple Markovnikov's addition, but this is not the major product. This is what wrong. Then what is the correct product for this reaction? This is the correct product. CH3, bromine will attack here, and this is the major product. Rearranged product. Major product or rearranged product. Okay. How it is obtained? By adding H plus. This is carbocation. Hydride shift. This will now positive ion. Negative will go to here. So another question asked in this reaction, what is the carbocation intermediate? This one is also a question. Okay, then you have to follow the mechanism. See, first of all you add H plus to here, CH3, CH3, H, CH plus, CH3. This is a 2 degree carbocation. In case of carbocation, rearrangement will occur. Therefore, shifting hydrate here, we get a carbocation of this kind, or more stable carbocation, 3 degree. Now, Br minus will attack this carbon and you are getting the product. Okay, another last example. All of you try this product. I will tell in the next class. Okay, all of you try this, right? To try this product, try to write this product and how it occurs, I will tell in the next class. Thank you.